Welcome to the mesmerizing kingdom of Thailand. Prepare yourself for a vacation that will leave you enchanted, exhilarated, and craving for more. From golden temples and lush tropical landscapes to bustling markets and pristine beaches, Travel Guide Thailand offers a captivating blend of culture, adventure, and relaxation. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through this captivating country. Explore the cultural marvels. Thailand is a treasure trove of ancient traditions and awe-inspiring architecture. Discover the grandeur of Bangkok's magnificent temples like Wat Arun and Wat Phra Ka, home to the Emerald Buddha. Experience the spiritual serenity at the Temple of the Reclining Buddha Wat Pho, where a 46-meter-long golden statue awaits. The cultural immersion continues in Chiang Mai, where you can participate in a traditional Thai cooking class, or visit the enchanting Doi Suthip Temple. Delight in the vibrant markets. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, scents, and flavors of Thailand's bustling markets. The floating markets of Damnon Sadwick and Amphoa offer a unique shopping experience where you can browse through an array of fresh fruits, handicrafts, and tantalizing street food. For a more urban adventure, head to Bangkok's Chatakak Weekend Market, one of the world's largest markets, boasting over 15,000 stalls. Indulge in gastronomic delights. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors. Thai cuisine is renowned worldwide for its aromatic spices, harmonious balance, and fresh ingredients. From the fiery tom yum soup to the creamy green curry and fragrant pad thai, every bite will transport you to a culinary paradise. Don't miss the chance to sample the street food delicacies, such as grilled satay, mango sticky rice, and the famous pad kra pao basil stir fry. Unwind on pristine beaches. Escape to the postcard-perfect islands of Thailand for a dose of relaxation and natural beauty. Picture yourself lounging on the powder-white sands of Phuket, Krabi, or Koh Samui, while the turquoise waters gently lap at your feet. Snorkel or dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Similan Islands, or Phi Phi Islands, where vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life await your exploration. Seek adventure in the north. Head to northern Thailand for an adrenaline-pumping adventure amidst breathtaking landscapes. Trek through the jungles of Chiang Mai and encounter hill tribes, cascading waterfalls, and lush green valleys. Get your heart racing with activities like zip-lining through the rainforest, bamboo rafting along the river, or riding elephants responsibly at ethical sanctuaries. Pamper yourself with Thai massages. Relax and rejuvenate with a traditional Thai massage, renowned for its healing properties and unique techniques. Treat yourself to a spa retreat in one of Thailand's luxury resorts, or indulge in an invigorating massage on the beach. Experience the ancient art of Thai massage, which combines acupressure, stretching, and yoga-like postures to leave you feeling utterly refreshed. Thailand is a country that captivates the senses, offering a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation. Get ready to immerse yourself in the warm hospitality, rich traditions, and incredible diversity of this magical destination. Whether you're seeking cultural marvels, mouth-watering cuisine, or serene beachside bliss, Thailand has it all. Your journey of a lifetime awaits in the land of smiles.